In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate emails in Monday.com. Email integration can be incredibly handy, allowing you to centralize communication right within your project management workflow. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're set, let's get started by navigating over to Monday.com. Take a moment to admire that clean, user-friendly interface you're about to enhance. Now, direct your attention to the top right of your screen. There, you'll see the Marketplace icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This step will take you to the expansive Marketplace where you'll find a variety of apps to enhance your Monday.com experience. It's like walking into a tool shop where everything is tailored to boost your productivity and streamline your processes. Once in the Marketplace, it's time to search for the email integration app. In the search bar at the top, simply type in emails. Nice and straightforward, right? This search will help filter the numerous options down to what we're specifically interested in. Next up, find the app related to email integration in your search results and give it a click. This is where you'll get a detailed overview of the app, including its features and how it can help you manage emails directly through Monday.com. This short overview is beneficial as it helps you understand the extent of the functionalities you're about to add to your toolkit. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, look for the Install App option. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to start the installation process. Installing the app is a seamless process where Monday.com ensures everything is set up without much hassle from your side. Remember, integrating emails onto this platform aids in keeping everything under one digital roof, making task management and follow-ups a breeze. Now, with the app installation underway, it's crucial to follow any on-screen prompts that appear. These guides are designed to lead you step by step to complete the integration process. Pay attention to these prompts because they will ensure that everything is set up correctly and running smoothly. As you follow these instructions, you're well on your way to streamlining your communication within Monday.com. By integrating emails, you're enhancing your accessibility to important conversations related to various tasks and projects. This integration not only saves time but significantly boosts efficiency, ensuring you stay on top of every task and deadline without constantly toggling between platforms. And there you have it, the simple process of integrating email into your Monday.com workspace.